How to clear data on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear data on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer and then click this settings icon here in the top corner, click on it and then click here this one, data and storage, click on it, and as you see here you will find disk usage settings. And then now all you need to do is just click this one, clear all, and then click clear. And as you see, these are data have been cleared. And now that's it, just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.